filmed this after what you're going to hear next. So I just wanted you to know that there was a happier conclusion to my day. I'm just practicing. I'm working out some technique stuff for a performance I've got coming up. So thought I'd share with you a little what I got. This is 50 Ways to Leave Your Lover, and just part of it. Problem is all inside your head, she said to me. The answer is easy if you take it logically. I like to help you in your struggle to be free. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. She said it's really not my habit to intrude. Furthermore, I hope my meaning won't be lost or misconstrued. I'll repeat myself. At the risk of being cruel, there must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. So, noodling around, trying things at that, kind of having a happy space, experimenting. I'm not sure if I'll keep that or not, but just kind of working around with some ideas. I didn't get a vlog done yesterday. I actually tried. But I forgot my camera. I was outside, and when I was outside around the house, I just didn't bother. And then I went to I takeout. We picked it up and we had a very socially distanced dinner in a friend's backyard, and it was really great. And while I was waiting for my takeout, I played my ukulele, but I can't get my phone to communicate with this new computer. Not that this is new, but so video editing. My video editing program is free and wonderful, and it's very powerful, which means it takes up a lot of room, and it pretty much ground my, oh God, yeah, I'm swearing in camera. It ground my laptop computer down to a halt. So I had to get another computer, and wound up, I'm lucky that I already had monitors and remote keyboard thing and mouse, and so I wound up getting a gaming computer that's a lot more powerful, that can handle this program. I've been at this for about an hour and 45 minutes today, and I just forget that I need to be saving along the way, because sometimes it does my computer in, and I just lost that work. So I'm having to start over. Oh well. That's why we play ukuleles. Times like this, drag out your ukulele and things get better, right? Anywho, if you'd like to know what I am using, it's a free program by Blackmagic called DaVinci Resolve, and it is really a pretty super powerful program, as I said before. You can do color editing in it, which I don't really know how to do. Oh, for a minute I thought it was just crashed again. Luckily it didn't. But yeah, it instantly has sapped. I have to constantly be pulling things off my computer and saving it on an auxiliary disk. More expense. Yeah, so if you think that I'm just able to do this on my regular computer that I already have, and I've had to really, up my electronic game here to be able to do YouTube videos with all the graphics and things that I put in. And today I even had to create some graphics, so I won't lose that time. Those are saved. I had to create an E-flat diagram, and it's pretty crude. It's not my best. Maybe I should go fix it now. Wow. Anyway, looks like this is how I'll be spending, until about 8 o'clock. It's 4:47 now. I'll probably edit until about 8 o'clock. Eat here at the computer, and then I'll need to practice. What are you practicing today? I am working on El Condor Pasa. working out details, trying to make it more interesting. I mean, it's just a 3-chord song, but trying to make it more interesting because I'm going to perform it. And then also working on 50 ways to leave your lover. And I'm doing my dog's telling me she wants to be fed. Fingerstyle chord melody, Waltzing Matilda, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious with 3 key shifts. So I have to play in G flat, with G flat, D flat, things like that, move into that, and then also trying to again make the chords. I'm adding some finger picking in that and things like that. So that it's really fun. I'm loving doing that too. So that's what I'm doing to up my own ukulele game. I have my Zoom tomorrow night, so if you want to come Zoom, just send me a message. I'll be direct messaging somebody on my Instagram, getting the link to that. Email me theukulelefool@gmail.com, and I'll send you a link to the Zoom happening. It's spoof night. Oh, and that's the other thing. I got some good spoof songs going. Oh gosh, when am I going to have to rewrite? I was going to write chord charts for those. Oh well. Never a dull moment. How's your ukulele day going? Let me know down in the comments below.